All right, you guys are going to create your own secret annex. So here's what you have to do. Here's your directions. You need to create your own by one, finding a place in your house or maybe a family member's house that you could safely hide. Take a picture of that place and you're going to actually load it into the PowerPoint. Number two, you need to draw up a blueprint of your secret annex, label the rooms and the items in the room, and load a picture into your PowerPoint also. So a blueprint is like a layout of the room. Okay, then you're going to answer 3 questions. Question 1 being what items would you bring in your suitcase? Question 2 is what necessities would you already have stored? And who are you actually going to live with? Each one of those are worth 2 points. And then you're going to provide any extra information you want us to know about your secret annex. So maybe it's at grandma's house, or maybe you're above a grocery store, anything like that to kind of clue us in better about your secret annex. A few reminders is this is a hideout. So this space is going to be smaller than the space in your house. So it should be reasonable. So notice the picture of a house. Here's an example of a secret annex around, 1 floor. You need to make sure you have reasonable belongings. For instance, you should probably not have a ping pong table because you'll be in hiding and that would probably create a lot of noise. So make sure you're not putting anything that's not unreasonable in here. Okay, so just a few reminders. So you're going to go through and you're going to find where you should hide. You're going to create what your secret annex would look like, and you're going to load it into the PowerPoint. Okay, click on the link below this video, and you can see my secret annex.